Leather crafting is a journey. This is where the journey starts: a blank page, a pencil, and an idea. Each line drawn reflects a piece of the story we are about to craft. Each piece of leather holds its own story, unfolded with care, dusted to reveal its natural beauty, and touched to feel its unique character. Here's where craftsmanship begins, with the perfect canvas for a masterpiece. Precision is key. With each mark, the design takes shape, ensuring every cut will be perfect. Steady hands and sharp tools bring the design to life. Each strike of the mallet drives the punching iron into the leather, creating evenly spaced holes. A clean cut follows, using sharp scissors for precision. Threading the needle requires focus and care. Every stitch adds strength and character, binding the design with precision and care. Sanding the edges ensures a smooth finish. Beveling the edges adds a touch of elegance, ensuring a smooth and polished finish. Edge finishing is where the magic happens. A small drop of toconol brings the edges to life, softening and preparing them for burnishing. With careful rubbing and the skillful use of a wooden slicker, the edges transform, smooth, polished, and professional. From vision to reality, a handcrafted leather wallet made with care, precision, and passion. A true work of art.